I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the family organizer account because billing flows from that Apple ID. Sign into the organizer's iPhone if needed, then inspect the default payment method. If it's expired, the purchase will fail. Once done, open Settings, tap your name, choose Family Sharing, and select Purchase Sharing to confirm the organizer is listed and the shared payment is enabled. This step prevents immediate rejections and sets you up for resolving charges quickly. Next, update the organizer's payment method in Settings Payment and Shipping so Apple can process outstanding charges. If a charge failed, open the App Store on the organizer device to view purchase history and locate pending or failed transactions. Once you replace or reauthorize the card, ask family members to retry the purchase or download. Apple will attempt to collect the pending charge automatically. Make sure purchases aren't blocked by screen time or purchase sharing settings while you complete this. Finally, confirm everything by restarting the organizer's device and each family member's device so Apple servers refresh permissions and payment status. If purchases still fail, sign out of the App Store and sign back in to force a recheck. Should problems persist, contact Apple support and provide the organizer's Apple ID and any transaction ID shown in purchase history. If you run into weird behavior, remember to check for purchase restrictions, differing App Store regions, and any pending billing emails. Those often reveal the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.